Let's talk about weathering shader. For example, we have a concrete structure here and the rain drop down and create such this weathering effect. This is weathering effect. For doing that, we're going to Cinema 4D. Make sure your setting is in a standard render because we are talking about standard material. Plus this, hit this plus and double click on your material editor. In the texture, you can see we are in effect, and the last effect is weathering effect. In the weathering effect, if you click, it tells you please load me a texture. You can come here and load all of these effects again. Load the image. For example, this flower. As you can see, immediately this effect create the weathering or this stretch effect. Right click and open a window to better see that. You can load it in the material, but I want to show it here. It's very simple. First, you can change the direction of your weathering. For example, I want to weathering you down. Now you can see it's repeated the image and blur it and simulate that effect. Intensity, how powerful this stretch can be. You can increase the number of the weathering. Nice. Right click on this arrow to reset your number, or right click, you can reset all or reset to the default again. The smoothness, how this effect will be smooth. For example, a higher number, we have more smooth effect. Now you can see more smooth, but if you decrease the number of that, we have more sharpen this effect. The weathering, it can be assigned to the bright part of your image or the dark part of your image. Intensity shader here, clamp UV chords. If you have this clamp, it's for clamping the UV of the border of your image. If you have art effects at the edges, you can clamp it UV. Now you can see, I'll tick that. You can see we have an effect at the border. If you tick that, it's clean the border for you. You can give a black and white image intensity shader. For example, with a black and white, you can assign, a gradient, for example. In a gradient, this is in black and white. You can see in a black and white, for example, something like that. It means you can give a black, you can make it to the something like this. It gives you can change the direction. Yeah, you can see here this line. It means in the black area, don't give that effect. In the white area, assign that effect. You can create such a this effect like this. This is all about black and white. The black area, no. In the white area, yes. So you can simulate which part of your image do you want to assign this effect. You can control with intensity as shader. You can change the strength of this filter actually here. That's it. You can assign it on your texture, this shader, or you can, if you want to assign to the whole image, you can remove the intensity shader.